Back guys to Ed's Forward Driving Camping with little Ed this time round. I've got a bit of a camping recipe for you guys. So everyone loves nachos at home. We're going to do them in the little camp oven, so when you're out and about next time, get a nice little meal going. And it's a really good idea if the kids are out at the moment because everyone's sitting at home, kids are camping in the backyard, get them to make some nachos. That way, you know, you feed your own belly and look after the kids at the same time for a bit of fun. So nice and easy. One thing though, I love telling people, if you ever don't have a fire lighter, best way to do it is with a nacho.
Corn chip.
So you corn chip, your nacho, got your lighter, give it a light. Takes a little bit of time sometimes, but when it catches, it just burns nicely. Not as good as a fire lighter, but it's a delicious fire lighter nonetheless. So I'll throw it in the fire for now, get rid of it. So nice and easy, bit of baking paper. I give it a fold a couple of times just so it fits nicely in the bottom. It gives you a nice base to work off and it doesn't burn too much like the corn chip is at the moment. Get the fresh sheet, lay it on top. That's your little bacon base to work off with. Now, I like my Aldi cheese, as you know, quite a few people do. But what I do, I layer a little bit on the bottom of the tray, just like you would if you had a cake at home. You put a bit of oil on the bottom, but who doesn't like cheese? Cheese is good for you. Bit of cheese on the bottom. Now, this is all up to your own personal preference here, how you lay your nachos in. Me personally, lob them in. Nice little layer, a bit more cheese, just to get a nice little spread going. As my favourite movie goes, Shrek, ogres are like onions, nachos are the same, they have layers. A few more in there. So these cook fairly quickly as well, so you've got to be careful they don't burn too much, because you've got to let it, the heat, the heat comes up through the bottom, like it does most of the time when you've got to cook it over fire. So just be careful how you do it. Obviously with the campfire it cooks quite differently to cooking on a little King's fire pit. And a nice little layer of cheese on top. Some people like putting a bit of salsa in there as well. Me personally, I'll put it on afterwards. Just sort of adds a bit more flavour afterwards. So now that's all done. You can add a bit more nachos and cheese in there if you like. Me, nah, I like to look after my waistline at the moment. It's starting to catch up to me, my age. Throw your lid on there, nice and easy. Straight into the fire pit. The one thing I like doing as well, treat it like a proper oven you would at home. Just throw some heat beads on top. So I've kept a few aside from earlier. Just layer them on top nicely, like you would like so it cooks just like your oven would at home. Don't know how many I've got in here, but obviously the more heat you have, the quicker it's going to cook. So just be mindful of that too. So it's quite good, so kids can do this if you give them a bit of supervision, but just be mindful it is hot, so, and you're playing with fire. So give it a couple of minutes and we'll come back to it and see how we go from there. Cool, so it's been a couple of minutes since we've seen yours last. Nachos to me seem pretty good. So nice and easy. Make sure you got all your safety tools. You've got gloves, use your gloves. You've got your little hook, use your hook. And there you go, sizzling away nicely. Bit of colour in there, not like there would be in the oven or anything like that. And that's basically done, good as gold. So you can take that out of the fire pit safely. So if you've got your kids around, or big kids even that have had a good session, just behave yourselves, take it out with your hooks, done. And that's it. So you can eat them straight out of the pot if you like. I can't help myself, so I get stuck into one of them there. And yeah, bon appetit. Just be mindful the bottom might be a little bit burnt because you've got a lot of direct heat on it. But good as gold. Give it a like and subscribe and comment with your nacho recipe, because I I love these when I go out, and I'm always looking for new ideas of what to put in there with them. So yeah, like, subscribe, and give us a comment below. Thanks guys, enjoy the evening.